video, let's see how to measure the thickness of the spaces for your BMW. Let's go. Generally, the wheel spacer size is decided by the distance from the fender to the tire. The distance is 8 mm, so we can install 8 mm to 10 mm wheel spacers, which is enough to make your wheels flush with the fender line and provide your BMW G30 with a perfect stance. If we are going to install the 10 mm wheel spacers, the stock bolt cannot be installed in the same location. We need a longer bolt to lock the wheel. The reason is with the distance increase, the stock wheel bolts are unable to fit into the ferrule of the brake rotor head to reach the standard number of turns after installation. In general, installing wheel spacers require extending wheel bolts, and the length is calculated based on the thickness of the wheel spacers plus the stock wheel bolts. The spacers is 10 mm. The G30 stock bolt is 27 mm, so we need the 37 mm extended wheel bolt. The matching bonus Forged Grade 12.9 SC and 440 steel bolt with different contact surface washer to match the wheel perfectly, and removable washers to provide more security to the wheel bolt and eliminate the possibility of wheel bolt loosening. The same way to measure the thickness of wheel spacers applies to other BMW models. Remember to install the matching extending wheel bolt for safety. Let's take a look at how to install wheel spacers and extending wheel bolts. This video can help you. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.